You can expect a lot from the 2008 Dodge Ram 2500. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include front fog lights, speed-sensitive wipers, a rear step bumper, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.